So I'm on the last piece of that 5-day Chamander, and I came in to look at the printer like this. Where you coming from there, little... Oh, no, it didn't wear out. It just came out off the back. That's funny. So I'll fix this and we'll get back to print. Oh, it popped off the back. So I go to put it back in, you know. Feed it back in there. Go ahead and start it. Comes back out again. What the heck is going on? So got it all apart. And I'm noticing this guy no longer has any tension to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart real quick. Let's see if there's anything in there I can do.
Or if I'm gonna have to buy a whole new filament towel.
Off. I'll show you guys. Dude. There we go. Okay. So, got this guy off. Let's see in there. Pretty gross. Both bearings move freely, which is really nice. Canned air. Lot of dust. Bet you that was all cardboard dust. Oh, wait, can I maybe blow out? It broke. I don't think there's any fixing it. I think it just broke. So let's see. I got some. This is my new filament, new PTFE off the back of my printer, and it's a whole lot of big nopes. Well, I was kind of hoping I could split this case. So if you can see there, it's got a split spot in it. But I don't think so. I think they just want you to buy a new one. I don't think they want you messing with it. Because even if I could, I'd just steal one of these guys for now, flip them around. Okay. Well, looks like I'm having to buy a new one of these. And looks like my printer's going to sit heated while I wait for it to come. Fantastic. Okay. Well, thanks for hanging out, guys. Thanks for watching. I will be back shortly.